Hello friends, now this is the part to continue creating accounting project. So until now we have just created sale, purchase, sale report, purchase report, but what's actually need for the accounting project and how much requirement is for accounting project. For a basic and simple requirement, I've just created one of the project. Uh, over here, I'll show one of the example as I've created a accounting project for one of my client requirement. So just click it. This is one of the client requirements I have made. It contain a basic requirement for accounting project. So now you can see it contains sale, person, sale, purchase, money transaction, opening amount, uh, reports, barcode, setting. These are all the basic requirement for a simple and basic company. So first of all, we need person, the master entry for the customer and distributor entry. Customer information, that may be name, date, mobile and address, or it also contain gender or email or image. So I've given just a little bit information, and like this also distributor information, name, date, mobile address, all that. And second thing is about purchase, a purchase invoice, as we have created purchase invoice in our project, creating accounting project. uh, so it is just a little bit too much big. The first category, product, discount, type, quantity, rate, MRP, barcode, all these things. And second form is that about update. We also created sale form in our creating accounting project. It is a new type, new sale bill. In new sale bill, it will look like this. Requirement was salesman, date, customers, it may be retailer or wholesaler. Then category, product type product, all these things. And third was money transaction. Now we are in the next part. I'm going to create this money transaction. What is money transaction? Suppose whatever the purchase and sale we have given and took from the customer and distributor. Like one of the distributor, we have to give money to them. So just select distributor. Some of the distributor name ABC, and its amount is remaining 14,000. So we have to give to them. For that, I have created this form. And also, like customer, the customer whose amount is remaining, uh, whenever he gives amount to us, then we can write over a cash. This for income. And the third form, which is company expenses and income. Means income means name of the income, opening amount, details and total amount. So okay, if you see available balance of 18 September is 0, so I could write like this, opening company. Okay, it will show the available balance of until now the 24,000 rupees. And expenses, um, employee, employee payment. Employee name would be XYZ. You have took 10,000. Okay, now just 15,000 remaining. This is the company income and expenses. Now this opening amount of the customer and distributor. Suppose in our India, majority of the work is done on the register, and now people are using computer more and more per day. So they are just converting their from hard copy from register to software. So they use final amount of that opening amount to use this software. So just we can write the opening amount the customer or distributor. From that, uh, it account would be continued. Then reports, sale report, purchase report, stock, company. Now this main company report, or it is called as a general ledger. And how is it works? Like whatever income expenses are done, like there is a company, it is our company, particular name ABC. It was distributor. We have given to distributor 855. The next time we have given distributor 1000. The total is 1815. Whatever expenses it will show per day. Then company, particular was company opening amount 25,000. XYZ employee payment we have given 10,000. So remaining is 15. So from grand total 25 minus 10, it is 13,145. Yes, I think something missing. Yes, 18 ton, 18 plus 10. It may be 11,855. Yeah, okay. So like this, there is a common example for accounting project. Now like this also, sale, bill report, date wise, product wise, and also barcode. Whatever purchase via item, it will create the barcode. I think okay. You can see here it is. So and setting. Okay. Okay. Now the another is that user management. This all the admin and local users. Then backup and restore for backupping. And third one is background image. We can change the background image as we like software. Okay. Then third one is background color. And fourth one is format. What you have done, we can format. So this is a common general example, and we'll try to make our project on this basis. So until now in our project, we have just made sale, purchase, reports for sale, and report for purchase. Just be look out here our project. Now this is our project. We have made until now just a new sale bill, purchase, uh, sale bill, purchase bill, and yes, until now we have just made four of these, and also mm, let's check whether we have made or not. Okay, so until now half of the project is remaining still, and as soon as possible we'll create complete our project. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. In the next part we will create this expense form, and how I've created I will show you next part. So thank you and have a good day.